Well, hello everybody, and I want to thank you guys all for attending today's news conference. Um, I am Patrick Harrington, President and one of the founders of Atlas Global Energy Solutions, as well as Atlas Global Installers. And the reason we called the press conference today is to address the issue that's on top of most everybody's mind right now, which is the COVID 19, or otherwise known as the coronavirus. And let you guys know, first of all, that we are still in business. We are still fully operational and still installing solar systems throughout this great state of Texas. And a lot of you guys have been asking if we're still operational. Absolutely, we are. Just like everyone else, we are taking extra precautions, though. We are working towards reducing that social contact and keeping that social distance that's so important. Um, and the way that we're doing that is that typically, for example, on an install, if we're coming to your house, we'd knock at the door, shake your hand, introduce ourselves, kind of bring you outside, let you know what we're going to do from now on or until further notice. We'll still be knocking at the door or giving you a phone call ahead of time and letting you know that we're coming and that we're there, about to start the install. But we'll keep our distance at 6 to 10 feet that most people are abiding by right now. In addition to that, our technicians are also practicing better hand washing techniques, sanitizing surfaces. All of our trucks are equipped with additional sanitizer, and our guys are out there and gals are out there making sure that we do everything that we can to prevent the further spread of this deadly virus. But we're doing our part, and we're still out there. On the other side of it, from the sales side of it, typically we would do an in-home sales presentation, but at this point in time, if you're not comfortable with that, that is not a problem. We can do it virtually, like we're doing right now, or we can do it over the phone. We can do it via text, via email. All the documents can be signed that way. The only time that we actually do have to come out to the house is to do our complete site survey and, of course, the installation. But the good news is that we are still here. We're still out there promoting healthier environment through renewable solar energy. And we're here to stay, folks. And we're here to help the community. So we wanted to start with that. And then in a few moments, we'll be taking your questions. But again, thank you guys very much for your loyalty to Atlas Global Energy Solutions and Atlas Global Installers. And we hope to be seeing you guys soon in the right sunlight and the bright future that we have out here. Thank you guys.